Hello and welcome. If you're a personal trainer, coach, or consultant looking for a way to build your brand, make money online, and create a business that works for you, then you're in the right place. Made for Trainers is the ultimate place for personal trainers, coaches, and consultants who want to make money without trading their time for it and start generating real income online. I'm Nathan Rose, a former US Marine, personal trainer, fitness, and weight loss coach, just like you. For over 20 years, I've been in the trenches, training clients in gyms and online, running businesses, and figuring out how to make more money without burning out. And let me tell you, the game has changed. I created this community because I know firsthand the struggles that we face as trainers. When clients cancel or no show, call in sick, when gyms close, and when you need a break, you don't get paid. That's a tough way to build financial freedom. That's why I'm here to build you a custom Shopify store, launch it, and teach you how to create your own branded merchandise without any upfront costs, without needing to purchase any inventory, and without any of the tech headaches in just 30 minutes. And best of all, we're going to do it together. But I'll be doing all that heavy lifting, so to speak. Inside this community, you're getting step-by-step guidance on launching your Shopify store from scratch for free. Our AI builds it for you. All you have to do is fill in some personal information. You get access to the first sales method, where you will be shown proven strategies to make your first sales and keep them coming. You'll get ready-made templates and resources to speed up your success and get your imagination flowing. You'll be in a network of like-minded trainers and coaches supporting each other and sharing what's working. There'll be live Q&A calls, exclusive trainings, and direct mentorship by me so you never get stuck. This is for the action takers. If you're tired of having to work for every dollar and you're ready to create an online income stream that pays you while you sleep, then you're in the right place. You don't have to figure this out on your own. I've already done all the hard work and I'm giving you the blueprint. All you have to do is take action. There's zero risk, and I'm betting on you that you will succeed. Why don't you bet on yourself? So if you're serious about building a real business beyond the gym and training clients online, click the button below, join us now, and let's get started. I can't wait to help you build your custom online store.